gas prices are extremely high. I mean, right now for premium, I just paid $5.88 a gallon. Is that crazy or what? Now, I know you guys in California, some of you guys are paying upwards of like $7, $8 a gallon, which is nuts. But you know what? In this video, I'm going to tell you a solution to these high gas prices. Stay tuned.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
You know, whatever you do out there, guys, if you're going to ride a motorcycle, make sure you wear the full gear to stay safe out there on the streets. And I have links to all my gear, which is awesome. Like this ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet that comes with this automatic tint shield, my motovlog camera, airbag vest to help keep me safe, shorty gloves. Links to all my gear is in the description and comment section of this video. I'll tell you, man, it is crazy to be paying these high prices, man. I feel you guys. For those of you that commute to work, man, I know you're feeling the pain at the pump. But I'm going to tell you this, guys. If you want to save some money, if you want to be able to have fun on two wheels out here on the streets, and yet not pay much of anything besides the initial cost of the bike, then I would highly recommend that you get a Sur-Ron X electric motorcycle. You know why? Because I don't pay for anything. I don't pay for electricity for that bike, guys. I use solar. I use my solar generator, which I have a link to my solar generator and the solar panel that you can use. Especially right now in the summertime, most people are getting a lot of sun. So basically, I charge up. I have two e-bikes. I've got my Sur-Ron X and I've got my Haybike folding e-bike. That one, my Sur-Ron X will do, I think, with like 46 miles an hour, which goes with traffic out here on the streets. You can have fun. You can ride off-road. It's awesome, man. I love it. $4,200 shipped or something like that. But honestly, compared to other motorcycle options like the KTM Freeride, they want like $10,000 for the KTM Freeride, and it only does like a couple miles an hour more than the Sur-Ron X. You know what I'm saying? So even though it looks like a proper dirt bike and everything, but it weighs a lot more too. See, with the Sur-Ron X, you can ride it out here on the streets. It looks like an e-bike or a mountain bike or something, and you can ride it on the bike paths. You can ride it on the single track trails. I mean, you can do so much with that and be able to charge it for free using solar. Obviously, the initial cost is obviously the cost of the bike, which you're going to buy anyhow if you're going to get a motorcycle, and the cost of the solar generator and the solar panel, which I have a link to in the description and comment section of this video. But if you want to go cheaper, but it's not as fast as my Haybike folding electric bike, which I have a link to, which that thing I think is just about $1,000 or maybe a little more than $1,000, and that charges up really easy, you know, with the solar panel. Now, I know a lot of you guys, you don't want to deal with electric, you know, which is understandable, because obviously you can't just quickly recharge it, you know, like you can put gas in a bike. But what I recommend for those of you that haven't got a motorcycle yet, or you got, hey, maybe you want to change over to a different motorcycle, get you a smaller motorcycle, a small bike, like this YZ right here, man. You know what I'm saying? I average 43 miles a gallon on this, and I'm ripping on this thing all the time. You see in my videos. So another option, obviously, is to work at home, which a lot of people are doing. I have for many years. It has saved me a ton of money. It reduces my insurance, not having to commute to work. Also, I'm not paying a ton of gas. I spend probably no more than, I don't know, I fill the tank up maybe once a month at that. So you save a ton by working at home. But the best bet, if you want to have fun out here, get out here and cruise, because you know you get tired of sitting at home. You can't do nothing, you know, watch TV, do lawn work or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Boring. You want to be out here having a good time like Cycle Cruzy is out here on his motorcycle. And like I said, skip the gas bikes, get an electric bike and charge it via solar. You can set up solar at your house. Yes, the initial cost is going to be a bit expensive for solar panels and batteries and everything that you need to set up, have your own solar power station at your house. Or you could do like I did. You could build a bug-out motor van that has solar power on it, and I actually use that as my power station in my driveway. Believe it or not, it charges all my electric lawn equipment, like my lawnmower, my power, all my electric lawn power tools that are cordless, I charge with my solar, so that saves me money. So overall, you're going to recoup that investment back. And if you're going to buy a motorcycle anyhow, you know what I'm saying, you're $4,200 for the Sur-Ron X is actually pretty cheap. Where you going for $4,200? You can't buy any of the electric motorcycles for that price. There's going to be a whole lot more than that, man. I know some of you guys are going to scoff at these ideas. Cycle cruiser, man, I don't want to do none of that, man. I'm tired of these gas prices. Well, you know what I'm saying? Sit at home and keep complaining. See how good that's going to do for you. See if that's going to change the gas prices. Or if you want to get out here and have a good time like cycle cruising, get you the Sur-Ron X like cycle cruisers. Have fun out here, which I'm not on right now. But as soon as I put this away, guys, I'm getting back on my Sur-Ron X. And I'm about to hit the single track trails on it. You know what I'm saying? You can ride that on the sidewalk. You can ride that Sur-Ron X everywhere pretty much, except for the highway, of course. But hey, I'm just trying to give some suggestions here. Leave a comment below, guys. What are you guys doing to help get over these gas prices? What is your solution to deal with these high gas prices? Leave a comment below. Also, I know some of you guys are hypermiling in your car, where you cut the car off at lights and you coast down hills. And by the way, you could do some of that on your motorcycle. I hypermile on my bikes too, on my motorcycles. Is that you know, when I'm going downhill, I'll pull in the clutch. I'll just coast down the hills, and that'll help save gas. So there's a lot of things that you can do to help cut down, on fuel consumption, to help save your money. But we're all dealing with it. We're in serious inflation right now, and I tell you guys, it's probably only going to get worse for a while, as long as that war is going on over in Europe. And we have supply issues here. We got shortage of workers. I mean, it's the perfect storm for setting up a recession that's probably going to be coming up. So you better save your money, guys. I'm telling you, want to start eating beans and rice, start living cheap. That's how I bought my house in Georgia, guys, my country property, man. By saving hard, living frugally and saving hard, man. And I'm living extra frugally right now because I know we're about to head into a recession. So, well, leave a comment below. Let's talk about it. I love talking with you guys. That's why I do these videos. I appreciate all you guys. Make sure to hit thumbs up. It helps my channel when you do. Subscribe to my All The One Motorcycle channel. So until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.
Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.